Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
The Minister of Transportation, Rotimi Amaechi, in company of officials of the ministry, returns to the Lagos-Ibadan standard gauge rail line a month since the commissioning of its commercial operations. This time, he assesses the level of work done on some stations yet to be completed. On inquiry over the routine failure of trains on the Abuja-Kaduna axis, he ascribes it to absence of suitable spare parts.
I retired this thing that broke down with intention to manage until we get spare parts. If it's done 3 times now, then there's a problem, and I thank you for raising it, because NRC must address me on Sunday on what will happen to the lack of spare parts, because it will not continue to break down and we ignore it.
Meanwhile, some Lagos-bound passengers in Ibadan say enlightenment of Nigerians on their responsibilities in protecting national assets is a necessity.
So I think you need to enforce security and educate people, because a lot of things that are not functioning in the country is a matter of education and the poverty mindset. If people are happy and they know why this is there, the long term to have success, but a lot of people don't understand why we're having this. So if they're better informed, of course they'll embrace it.
I remember there was a time in this country where you cannot sell transformer in the open market. All government needs to do is ensure that all these things that have to do with infrastructure, you must not be seen with anybody. And I'm sure there will be no buyer and there will be no seller.
While routine monitoring of the works continues, the minister and his team believe quality will be sustained, while maintenance of rail infrastructure across Nigeria cannot be compromised.